In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Walmart app to find clearance. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Walmart app on your device and make sure you're signed in. Here, select your local Walmart store for the most accurate clearance prices. Tap on the drop down just below the search bar, and here you can pick your shopping location. Use the barcode scanner in the app to scan clearance or regular items. Sometimes the app shows a lower price than what's marked in store. Search for clearance in the app to find discounted items at your store. So tap on the savings option. Then click on the clearance option. And here you can see the items available in the clearance section. Use filters to narrow down by category, price, or in-store availability. Check the rollback and deals section. Some clearance items are hidden under these discounts, so don't miss out. Once you find a clearance item in the app, head to the store's clearance aisles. Many Walmarts have multiple clearance sections near electronics, toys, and home goods. And that's it.